Saviland sent me their nail remover drill kit, and today we're going to take a closer look at what's inside. First, we've got the machine itself. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go use. Plus, I'm loving this lilac color. The kit comes with a handy holder for the drill. As I mentioned, the drill itself is super lightweight, which makes it comfortable to handle. Along with the drill, you'll find tools, the charger, and the bit I'll be using. The instructions recommend charging the device fully before first use, so I'll go ahead and set up my drill while it charges. Once it's ready to go, I'm setting it to a low 20 RPM for the best control. The speeds can go quite high, so I'm switching it to forward mode for optimal use. Now this is my first time using this bit, and I have to say it's incredibly easy to use. I can already tell it's beginner friendly. I was able to remove most of the product without needing to soak off with acetone, which is a huge time saver. Overall, I'm impressed with this machine. It's not only functional but also cute, and I would definitely recommend it, especially for those just starting out. There's the final result. Thank you, Saviland, for sending me this awesome kit.